PiNetwork, a project aiming to revolutionize the cryptocurrency landscape, is now at a crucial juncture. The PiCore team has spearheaded this extraordinary journey, bringing us closer to the open network phase. The latest update confirms that we are at the final stages of a long journey towards a decentralized ecosystem that will change how we interact with digital finance. The PiCore team, with their dedication and expertise, has played an essential role in laying the solid foundation for PiNetwork. From the outset, they have guided each key step in the network's development, from technical planning to execution involving the global community of pioneers. Their decision to approach the cryptocurrency world differently, emphasizing inclusivity and community collaboration, has made PiNetwork a unique and promising project. As part of the journey toward open network, the PiCore team has emphasized the importance of unity in every step we take. Together, we will achieve something greater, they have stated, urging the entire Pi community to come together and face the final challenges ahead. These last steps involve meticulous technical preparations, KYC verification to ensure the legitimacy of every member, and the readiness of the network to welcome new users in the future. The journey toward open network is not merely a technical endeavor, but one that is set to create a new chapter in the cryptocurrency world. With its decentralized vision, PiNetwork aims to empower individuals financially, reducing dependence on traditional financial systems. The move to open network symbolizes a crucial moment that will open new opportunities, not only for PiNetwork pioneers, but also for the global cryptocurrency ecosystem. While significant progress has been made, the journey is still fraught with challenges. From a technical standpoint, ensuring that all applications and infrastructure run smoothly, to administrative aspects like KYC verification, which must be done carefully. However, with the persistence and commitment of the PiCore team, these challenges are expected to be successfully overcome. PiNetwork is not just another cryptocurrency project. It is a movement with the potential to revolutionize how we view and use money. With the PiCore team leading the charge, the final steps toward open network represent more than just a technical achievement. They mark the beginning of a future of decentralized and inclusive finance. Together, we are poised to make history and usher in a new era in the world of cryptocurrency.